Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to make Google Chrome your default web browser on your Windows 11 computer. This is going to be very easy. So on the bottom left side of the screen, let's go to the Windows Start button and select this. Now scroll on over to Settings. Now under the screen, let's go on down to Applications on the left side. Then go over to Default Apps. Then go ahead and go to where it says Set Default for Applications and find Google Chrome under here. Otherwise, I'm just going to type it in so I can find it really easy. Then select the icon. Then in the upper right side of the screen, it says Set Default. Make Google Chrome your default web browser. Let's go to Set Default. Now you can go on through this entire list and see all the different file types that got switched over when you open them up to Google Chrome. Now, some of these file types will still open with the Microsoft Edge web browser right here. You could always try changing it over. So if you just scroll on through here, you can see everything under this list. The main file types will be opening up with the Google Chrome web browser now. So set it to default and you should be good to go. So if this video did indeed help you guys out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.